Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share another jamu recipes from Indonesia. It's called Jamu Kunyit Asam. It's with lots of benefit. Actually, I made it from time to time, especially when I have my family come for lunch, and before lunch start I always give a one shot for everyone. So let's get started. It's a very easy and simple to make. By the way, for the benefit of the Jamu Kunyit Asam, you can check in the Google. So I will start to introducing the ingredient I'm using today. So here I have some fresh turmeric. I love to use the fresh one, and also it's very easy to get in Bali. If you don't have the fresh one, please use the powder one. And this is tamarind paste, hard texture, and also the taste is very sour. In Bali it's called lunak. I also using some honey. If you would like to use palm sugar, it's absolutely fine. And here is a pinch of salt. I like to add a little bit of salt to my jamu. It's an optional, you don't have to add it. And earlier, I prepared already the turmeric and I peel the skin already. And also, I'm using some water later. So let's make it. First, I'm going to soak the tamarind paste with the hot water. So let's boil the water first. I'm turn on the cooker and add 200 ml of fresh water. So the water is already boiled. I add tamarind paste into the bowl and the boiling water. Mix well first. So we're going to soak the tamarind paste for 15 to 30 minutes. Let's put it aside now. So now let's slice the turmeric. Let's add into the blender. Along with the fresh water. Blend it until really smooth. So let's strain it. Get as much as liquid you can. Add the tamarind paste that we soaked earlier. Strain it. Add some honey. and salt. Mix well. So I'm going to put it into the glass bottle, and here I made earlier. So here I have some banana leaf, just pouring gently. I will close the bottle with the banana leaf. So here we are, Jamu Kunyit Asam. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your jamu tastes. And also I opening my cooking class in Bali. If you come to Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. Thank you again for all your support. Matur suksma. Bye-bye.